सर्वेभ्यो नमो नमः। आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है आज के इस सत्र में। आई वेलकम एवरीबडी फॉर टुडे सेशन। सर्वप्रथमं शिबिर गीतम। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं, वदामि संस्कृतं सदा, ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक्, वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्, वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम्, संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्, वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन, संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन्, आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये, वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्, वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। अवधारणम, एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस। अवधारणम, सकारात्मक वाक्य। अवधारणम, संस्कृतम अति सरला भाषा, संस्कृतम अति मधुरा भाषा, संस्कृतेन संभाषणम अति सरलम। अहम केवल संस्कृतेन वदामि। अस्माकं भाषा संस्कृत भाषा। संस्कृत भारतम समर्थ भारतम। संस्कृत भारतम समर्थ भारतम। सर्वेभ्यो नमो नमः। आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत करता हूं आज के इस सत्र में। आई वेलकम एवरीबडी फॉर टुडे सेशन। I know it is a weekend and many of them must be feeling tiring and all that, but okay, fine. We have to cope up because immediately on from 19th January onwards, the Subodh class will be starting. So we have to complete the lecture before that. Obviously, it will be much more before that. तो काफी अभी today is the 6th day. तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा another 6 to 7 days more. Okay, so I think so by next weekend we should be able to complete our total syllabus of spoken Sanskrit. Spashtam. Now I will unmute everybody so that we can interact. Yes. Yeah, Sarvebhyo Namo Namah. Yeah, Vrushali Namo Namaha. And I hope you all have gone through the videos of yesterday. And if not, one thing is there, tomorrow is a holiday. कल छुट्टी है. श्वः विरामः भवति. So I would say bhavati as well as bhavishyati. So श्वः विरामः भविष्यति. So tomorrow is an holiday. Will be a holiday. So what I will do, as soon as this lecture is over, you will get the link in your group. All the link of all the days. Day 1 से लेके day 6, today is day 6, all the link together. And it is a humble request to everybody, those who really are taking Sanskritam seriously, please go through that video once before you join on Monday. Abhi, when it is a YouTube link and video, you need not worry. The reason is, you can skip all this part, what is unnecessary talks are going on, you can skip them. Directly concentrate on the subject that was taught. Like on the first day, we had introduction and all those things. Skip those things. Now you know about it. Now come directly to the Swaraha. As soon as I start Swaraha, concentrate on Swaraha. Spashtam va? Sarvan Kurute?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Another, you will find the website link also. The website link will give lead you to downloads and books करके एक column ये है, page है. I will be directly giving the link of that page. So as soon as you go to that page, scroll down number 8 and number 9. That are PDF file. You can take the printout of that. Initial stage. Those who have already ordered the books and all that need not take all the printouts. At least take number 9. क्योंकि that is kriya. By the time the books reach you, it is better we get connected with our subject. And those who don't want to buy the books, and only there are tables, but books is containing much more information than what is mentioned in the table. Am I clear? Shall we
Yes,
move
sir.
ahead? Shall we
Yes,
move ahead?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, and one more announcement. Those who have ordered the books, from Monday onwards, Monday morning, the delivery will start. So from Monday, you will be getting, it will start from here. So if they are local Bombayites, they will receive by Tuesday, Wednesday, they will receive. And rest of the part, maximum 5 days. So by the next weekend, you will all receive your books. Am I clear? Shall I move ahead? Any questions?
Custom.
Asu. Agre gacha.
Sir, go ahead.
Sorry. Go ahead. Okay. Asu. Now we are coming to our topic, and that is Bahuvachanam. We have seen all the things till now were in singular. Now we
Yes,
will
sir.
understand. Sorry, Brushali, can you switch off? You achanak आवाज आ गई, तो I was, your interaction was welcome, no doubt about it. But then Bahuvachanam, all the things that we have seen till now were basically Ekvachanam. Now let us consider what is Bahuvachanam. Bahuvachanam is very easy to understand. Let us take it. Masculine gender, पुल्लिंग. Masculine gender, पुल्लिंग में बालकः, one boy. बालकः. बालकाः, plural. As I made it clear earlier also, Sanskrit has Ekvachanam, Dvivachanam, and Bahuvachanam. Means it has singular, dual, and plural. But in this workshop, we are considering only singular and plural, not dual. Because if I start introducing the dual at this moment of time, it will create a lot of confusion. Because then there will be dual even in Vibhakti. So that will create a problem. You will not be able to understand and pick up. So the simple way is, at the first level, try to master singular and plural. There, in spoken Sanskritam, hardly there are sentences of Dvivachanam. Then why it is taught? Because majority of our religious books, history, Veda, Puran, Upanishad, there are sentences where dual is used. So knowledge of that is important. Nowadays, yes, some part of Sanskritam, especially Uttar Pradesh side and all that, they have started accepting only singular and plural. They have omitted dual. But you should have the knowledge about dual also. Am I clear? Spashtam? Because there are many intelligent Sanskrit people, and they will immediately start firing at me. Hey, sir, why not Dvivachanam? Why not Dvivachanam? But that, as a result, you will end up with a confusion. Spashtam va? Dual will be taught. From Subodh onwards, there will be a dual that will be taught. Because by that time, you have understood what is singular and plural. So switch on to the dual will not make not create any problem to you all. स्पष्टम va? मैं कंटिन्यूसली इंग्लिश में बोल रहा हूं. अगर किसी को दिक्कत है कि इंग्लिश नहीं समझ आती, तो प्लीज मुझे बताइएगा. हाँ, उम्मीद है आप सब लोग को पता चल गया होगा कि मैंने क्या बताया अभी. सो गोइंग अहेड, बालकः, बालकः एक वचन, बालकाः बहुवचने. सो व्हाट वी डिड एक्चुअली, क्या किया हमने? अकारांत, बालकः क, अकारांत, वो अकारांत को आकारांत में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. क का हमने का कर दिया, एंड विसर्ग तो है ही. सो बालकाः, बालकः, बालकाः, आसन्दः, आसन्दः, आसन्दाः, चेयर्स या सोफास, सोफा को भी आसंदह कहते हैं. फाइन. So nowadays we have sofa and all that. So you can call asandha for sofas also. Asandah, asandaha. Goladipah, bulb. Goladipah. Goladipaha. Deepah. Deepaha. So pa ka pa ban gaya. Last you have increased by made it akaran. Just a moment, please. There is some. Okay. I thought there are some important messages and all that. Yeah, Tejal. Okay, Tejal. Dhanyavadaha. I have received your, but please, you should have. Anyways, no problem. Most welcome, Tejal. I got your message. Goladipaha, Goladipaha. Agre. Abhyanta, Abhyanta, Abhyantaraha. Here there is a change. Abhyanta becomes Taraha. Abhyantaraha, not Abhyantaha. नहीं होगा. Taraha. Pita. Pita, Pitaram. द्वितीया विभक्ति. बहुवचने पितरा रह. Sorry, it is little bit different. Okay, immediately confusion create. Let us stick back. So pitaraha, pitaraha, pita, pitaraha, बहुवचने. So here abhyanta, abhyantaraha, स्त्रीलिंगे, आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. बालिका. Can you all see this clearly ना? Am I right? आप मोबाइल पे आपको ये वर्ड्स वगैरह क्लियरली दिख रहा है क्या? Everybody please give me the feedback.
नहीं
सर
सर.
दिख रहे सर.
Absolutely clear.
जी गुरु.
Little difficult.
Sometimes it is difficult. Now
Yeah.
it is clear. Now it is clear.
So I will go on a larger screen. Okay. बालिका, आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. Just add visarga. बालिकाहा. Not difficult. आकारांत में बालिका, बालिकाहा, स्थालिका, स्थालिकाहा, छुरिका, छुरिकाहा. Clear. आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. Okay. Here, abhyantari. Engineer who is a girl. Abhyantari. Ikarant striling. Ikarant striling. Abhyantari will become abhyantrayaha. Abhyantrayaha. थोड़ा difficult है pronunciation. Abhyantrayaha. Am I clear? लेखनी, ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. लेखन्यः. लेखनी, लेखन्यः. कूपी, कुप्यः. सो हमने क्या किया? लास्ट अल्फाबेट पी, प over here, लेखनी. So नी is the last alphabet, न. So half न और यह जोड़ दिया. Similarly here, kupi, the last alphabet is p, p यानी प. हाफ कर दीजिए, यह लगा दीजिए. कुप्यः. स्पष्टम? Am I clear? Everybody?
स्पष्टम.
जी महोदय.
न्यूट्रल जेंडर, नपुंसकलिंग. मंदिरम, वन टेम्पल. मंदिरम. मंदिराणी, many temples. Mandiram, Mandirani, no, Mandirani. पुस्तकम, पुस्तकानी. सर यहां पे नी है और यहां पे ण है. Why it is so? Why there is a ण over here? Because in the word there is a ra. Ra is there. So whenever there is a ra, it will not end with na. It will end with rna. Rna. Murdanya. Rna. Am I clear? Gruham. Half ra. Gruhani. Bahuvachan. So because it is having half ra. So rule number 1, when it has a ra. Rule number 2, when there is a half ra, जिसे रफार कहते हैं, तो जब भी रफार हो तो लास्ट में ण लगेगा. Am I making sense? Everybody, please.
स्पष्ट महोदय.
अस्तु. पुस्तकम, पुस्तकानि. हाँ, गुरुहम. I have taken this line.
Yes, sir.
गुरुहम. Here, रू छुपा हुआ है. गुरु. तो half r is there. Guruham. So it will become Guruhani. No. Guruhani. Phalam. There is no ra. There is no half ra. Phalam. Phalani. No. Okay. Am I clear, everybody? Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
here,
sir.
yes. So here we are having Bahuvachanam like Balakah, Balakaha. Akaranta Striling, Sthalika, Akaranta Striling. Sthalikaha. Lekhani, Ikaranta Striling. So last alphabet is Ni. N. Half N, Yah जोड़िए. लेखन्यः. नदी, नद्यः. कूपी, कुप्यः. घटी, watch. घट्यः. स्पष्टम? Am I clear to everybody, please?
Yes, sir.
Now in neutral gender, mandiram. रम. मंदिरम. तो मंदिरा रा हो गया. मंदिरा. तो लास्ट पे ण आएगा. मंदिराणी. बट फलम, फलानी. पुस्तकम, पुस्तकानी. बट गुरुहम हाफ र है. तो गुरुहानी. ण. It will not be Gruhani. Spashtam va? I will be telling where the last end in plural will convert into na as the case comes up. Okay? जैसे जैसे हमारे सामने sentence आएगा, I will be explaining you. Now, asti. Asti is the verb. Asti यानी है. It is there. Asti. It is there. है. Asti. Singular. बालकः अस्ति. बालकाः सन्ति. So it is the plural of asti. It does not change the meaning, but it shows the plural segment of asti. बालकः अस्ति. बालकाः सन्ति. बालिका. अकारंत स्त्रीलिंग. बालिका अस्ति. बालिकाः सन्ति. स्पष्टम? मंदिरम. अरे ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. लेखनी अस्ति. लेखन्यः सन्ति. ओके. भगिनी अस्ति. भगिन्यः सन्ति. फलम अस्ति. फलानि सन्ति. मंदिरम अस्ति. मंदिराणि सन्ति. Am I clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Shall we take some asti santi into this thing? Now, we have seen these sentences. Saha, eshaha, kaha. It was singular. pay your proper attention over here. Okay. Saha, eshaha, kaha. Now saha will become plural. It will become te ya ete. And kaha will become ke. ते के, who are they, वे कौन है, who are they, वे कौन है, सह कह, ते के, am I clear? Now there is a rule over here. Number one, te ke is used when the crowd in front of you, all of them are masculine gender, right? Saha became te, so te is the plural of they, T-H-E-Y, they, वे, हिंदी में कहेंगे तो वे, सो उसका बहुवचन है, सह यानी वो, ते वे, ओके, वे कौन है, ते के, सह एक वचन है, सह कह, बट व्हेन इट इज प्लूरल, ते के, नाउ हियर ते मीन्स 100% masculine. Rule number 2, when it is mixed, there are masculine people as well as feminine people. Ladies, gents दोनों mix है. पुलिंग स्त्रीलिंग दोनों इकट्ठा है. Then also in masculine gender, te ke. And the most important point, say for example, there are 100 people in front of you. Out of that 100, 99 are ladies, striling, feminine gender, and only one person is of masculine gender. Even then, te ke. Spashtam? Am I clear?
स्पष्टं महोदय.
Anyat सर्वे? Astu. Now, sa, esha, ka. Sa, esha, ka. Sa plural will become taha. Esha plural etaha. Ka plural will become kaha. Taha
Sama.
kaha. Etaha kaha.
शा मीन्स क्या?
हाँ सॉरी,
शा मीन्स
अरे बाप रे,
जैसे
कौन
ते
पूछ रहा?
मतलब राखी.
राखी शू थયું? क्या हुआ आपको?
सा मतलब क्या है हिंदी में?
क्यों आप
English.
इसके पहले कितनी बार यूज कर लिया हमने 5 दिन में?
भूल जाती हूँ सर,
हाँ,
लिख लेती हूँ. हम इसलिए लिख रही हूँ, भूल जाती हूँ सर.
अरे फेमिनाइन जेंडर में वो,
अच्छा,
स्त्रीलिंग वहां पे महिला खड़ी है तो सा.
ओके
एशा यानी समीपे अस्ति.
ओके.
ये आप कंटिन्यूस लिख रहे हो ना, इसीलिए ये प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है.
नहीं पहले
केवल आप
लिखा नहीं.
देखोगे, आप ऐसा मत देखिए कि आपको याद नहीं रहता, याद रहेगा, लेकिन वीडियो के साथ लिखना चाहिए. नॉट दिस डबल बार, एक बार ये करना पड़ेगा मेहनत, थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. फिर आप ये नहीं कहोगे कि मेरे पास टाइम है इसलिए मैं संस्कृत पढ़ रही हूँ, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है इसलिए मैं रिवीजन नहीं कर रही हूँ. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. सभी लोगों को मैं बता रहा हूं. ओके, आई एम टेलिंग एवरीबडी, you all have worked hard since last 5 days. Now don't lose your spirit. You have to work hard. And I'm not telling to walk 5 kilometers ना. मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ क्या?
नहीं सर.
You have to sit and do your work. So taha kaha. Here when I say taha kaha means the crowd in front of me are 100% ladies. There is no mixture. If they are mixed, it will become teke. Spashtam? If there is a mixture of ladies and gents together, then it will become teke.
Okay.
Or 99 ladies and only one man, masculine.
Okay.
Even then, teke. But when I say taha kaha, means 100% those who are in front of me are ladies. Feminine gender. There is not a single masculine gender. Similarly, in neutral gender, it will become tat etat kim. Tat etat kim. Now, tat will convert into tani. Tani, kani. Tani mandirani. Tani kani. Tani mandirani. tat kim. Tat mandiram. एक वचन. तानी कानी. तानी मंदिराणी. So tat kim. tat mandiram asti. तानी कानी. तानी मंदिराणी santi.
Something.
Clear? Am I clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
The whole
Yes,
chart
sir.
over here?
Yes, sir.
Astu. Agre gachama? Shall we go ahead? Now here, we are taking sentence. Saha balakaha asti. Ekvachani. Singular. Saha balakaha asti. Te balakaha santi. Te balakaha santi. Here interesting is, if you say, okay, sir, in this case, it is mentioned balakaha, means all are masculine. Yes, number one. But if they are mixed also, it will become balakaha in plural. As far as children are concerned, okay, not for adult. For adult, purushaha. Te purushaha santi, means all are masculine. But if I say te janaha santi, janaha, log, then it is mix. Spashtam? Am I clear?
Suspastam.
Agree. Saha vaidyaha asti. Pay your attention, okay? Saha vaidyaha asti. Te vaidyaha santi. Vaidyaha. Vaidyaha.
Hmm.
Vaidyaha. Vaidyaha. But in feminine gender, it is sa vaidya asti. So it will become taha vaidyaha santi. Because plural, in some cases, generally in plural, they will have the same, like chatraha, chatraha, and chatra, chatraha. Bahuvachan is same. Vartikaha, vartikaha, mahila, vartika, ekvachan. Vartikaha, same in plural, like masculine, feminine. But I am here saying te vaidyaha santi. So there are three chances. Number one, 100% Jains, masculine, or they are mixed, masculine and feminine, or 99 are feminine and only one masculine person. Even then, te vaidyaha santi. Spashtam va?
Spashtam.
But if I say taha vaidyaha santi, means 100% ladies, feminine gender. For example, sa वैद्या अस्ति. Taha Vaidyaha Santi. Here when I use Taha, automatically Vaidyaha are all 100% feminine gender. Clear? कितना logical language है.
जी.
If you
Yes.
go into the details, you will find it is wonderful, logically arranged. If I'm using Taha, means it is understood. But if I'm using te, then there is a question. Te vaidyaha santi, like in earlier sentence. Te vaidyaha santi. Here there is a doubt. Either there are 100% masculine, or they are mixed, or 99 are masculine, feminine, and only one masculine. Okay. In all that three cases, it can be te vaidyaha santi. But if I say taha vaidyaha santi, means all are 100% feminine gender. Spashtam va? Am I clear? Going ahead.
Yes.
Tat pustakam asti. Tat pustakam asti. That is a book. Tani pustakani santi. Tani, there, books are there. Books are there. See, you will not find that relevance in English. But whatever in English, if you try to translate that in Sanskritam, then there is a problem. Because you cannot, as it is, translate them. You have to use the Sanskrit rules for that. And that is Tani pustakani santi. Okay. Going ahead. Am I clear with Bahuvachanam? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Spashtam.
Any doubts?
Nahi.
No.
Yes, sir.
Ha. Vadatu. Doubts asti, Bhagini? Nasti. Now we are going ahead is with the verbs. Kriya. Kriya is a verb. As we saw, subject, object and verb is for the sentence formation. Vakya rachana. So subject was shown by which vibhakti?
Pratama.
Prathama vibhakti. Showed you the subject of the sentence. Object was shown by
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya. Vibhakti will be shown by which vibhakti?
Vibhakti. Pratama vibhakti, Dvitiya vibhakti.
Acha, both will define the kriya. Which in kriya, in the verb, which vibhakti you will use?
There is no vibhakti.
No vibhakti is influencing the verb. Right? Clear, everybody? Very good. Let us go ahead. So, subject, object and verb. Karta, karma or kriya. Now, when we say balakaha patham patati, balakaha prathama vibhakti, patham dvitiya vibhakti, pathati means study. Now, when we say patati, that is a verb. But verb is not influenced by any vibhakti. But there is a responsibility. Verb has a responsibility. And what is that responsibility of the verb? Verb shows you directly who is the subject. So, kriya karta darshayati. It shows you karta, means the subject. Second important part is the verb will show you whether it is present tense, past tense, or future tense. When I say pathati, means it is present tense.
Present.
Regarding past and future, we will learn. And it will show you whether the subject is singular or plural. When the subject is plural, accordingly the kriya will change. means it will not change by spelling, but there will be some effect in verb that shows there are many subjects, like balakaha. Balakaha means there are plural. Patham, lesson. It can be the same lesson for all. Pathati is ekvachan. Now let us see what is plural part of it. So what are the responsibility of the verb? Number one, it shows you the subject. Number two, it shows you the tense, present tense, past tense, या future tense. And third, it shows you how many are the subject, means the sankhya, whether the subject is singular or plural. That is shown by the verb. Shall we go ahead?
Hmm.
Before that, let us analyze the commonly used 25 kriya padani. They are called kriya pad for singular, padam. Kriya padam for singular, kriya padani. Kriya padani. Am I clear, everybody?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, going ahead. Gachati, to go. Abhi, I will blow up the screen, okay? So that everybody can see the sentence below. Gachati, याने जाना, to go. युवकः विपणीम गच्छति. Vipanim means market. So the young boy is going to the market. Present tense. Gachati. Present tense. युवकः विपणीम गच्छति. पठति. सा पाठम पठति. सा पाठम पठति. To study, to read or to study. Patati, to fall down. Balakah patati, falling down. Spashtam va?
Yes, sir.
Kridati, to play, khelna. Balakah kridati. Yeah, you can say Balakah udyane kridati. He is playing in the garden. Vadati, bolana, to talk, to say something. Vadati. Archakah shlokam vadati. So here, is it making any sense? Vadati is the verb. Kaha vadati means the verb is showing what? The subject. Who is the subject?
Archaka.
Archakaha. Kim vadati?
Shlokam.
Shlokam vadati. Now tense. Vadati means it is a present tense. Vartaman kal. And third, it shows you the number of subject, whether it is singular or plural. So vadati, it is a singular format. So subject is singular, archakaha. Did you see that?
Hmm.
With
Yes.
plural, what it will become, we will see. We will, don't worry. Okay. Now, pibati, to drink. Kishoraha jalam pibati. Or you can say Kishoraha Shiram Pibati. Shiram means milk. Kishoraha Sheetapeyam Pibati. Cold drink. Sheetapeyam. Okay.
Shipyam.
Kishoraha Takram Pibati. Takram means buttermilk.
Takram.
Kishoraha takram. Kishoraha takram pibati. Okay. Going ahead.
सर इसमें तो जल पिबती लिखा हुआ है.
हाँ, मैं अलग अलग वेरिएशन दिखा रहा हूँ महोदय.
जी अस्तु.
हाँ, मैं अलग अलग वेरिएशन बता रहा हूँ. तो इसके पहले भी दूध किधर दिख रहा था? तो जल ही लिखा था,
जी जी
क्षीरम तो
जी
लिखा नहीं था ना,
हाँ
शीत पेयम भी लिखा नहीं था. So these are variations, my dear friend. You have to increase your vocabulary also, na, at the same time. That is the reason I am giving variation. Likhati,
अच्छा
to
अच्छा
write. Likhati, to write. Eshah patham likhati. This boy, this person is writing the lesson. Eshah, he who is sitting next to you. समीपे अस्ति. नयति, लेकर जाना, टू टेक. उमा यान पेटिकाम नयति. यान पेटिकाम. यान पेटिकाम means suitcase. Suitcase means yan petika. But we have briefcase also, na, that office bag. We hold it in our hands. Briefcase. Briefcase is called कार्य पेटिका. कार्य पेटिका, आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. कार्य पेटिका, briefcase. But nowadays we have that shoulder type of bag, na, even for offices. That is syutam. That is called syutam. That is not petika. It is syutam. So here Uma yan petika dvitiya vibhakti. Yan petika becomes yan petikam नयति. अग्रे. पश्यति, देखना. आलोकः पश्यति. किं पश्यति? दूरदर्शनम. आलोकः दूरदर्शनम पश्यति. आलोकः चलचित्रम पश्यति. आलोकः क्रिकेट मैच पश्यति. क्रिकेटम पश्यति. क्रिकेट in Sanskritam is cricketam. Okay, cricketam pashyati. Astu. Pruchati, पूछना, to ask. To ask, पूछना. बालिका प्रश्नम पृच्छति. She has raised her finger to ask the question. स्पष्टम. मिलति, to meet. Udayah sakhim milati. Sakhi for feminine friend. Girlfriend, he said. Actually girlfriend bolenge to it is other sense, not that way, but it means the friend who is a girl. So sakhi. So dvitiya vibhakti sakhim, ikaranta striling sakhi. Then in dvitiya vibhakti it will become sakhim milati. सखी को मिल रहा है. त्यज्यति, टू क्विट. छोड़ देना, टू क्विट. ओके. सो अजयः धूमपानम त्यज्यति. इट इज नॉट धूम्रपानम. धूम्रपानम is in Hindi, not in Sanskritam. In Sanskritam it is not dhumra, it is dhum. धूमपानम त्यज्यति. उत्तमम कार्यम करोति. अति उत्तम. खादति, टू ईट. सह प्रातराशम खादति. प्रातराशम means breakfast, not broccoli. Okay. Pratarasham means breakfast. Pratah rasham, for breakfast. For lunch and dinner, bhojanam. And in evening also we sometimes have some snacks and all that, na. Choti choti bhook jise kehte hain. That is called alpaharam. Alpaharam. Pratarasham, breakfast. So saha pratarasham khadati. So in breakfast he is eating boiled broccolis. Very good. Uttamam. Okay. Janati, to know. Janana, to know. Saha uttaram na janati. He does not know the answer. न जानाति, उत्तरम न जानाति. अग्रे करोति, टू डू, करना. लक्ष्मी योगासनम करोति, yogasanam karoti. Now, very frankly speaking, we have started talking yoga because yoga means yoga. Actually, it is yoga. You add a at the end so that G is pronounced completely, as in IST. So here, yoga asan. Yoga asan. Asan means position. Yoga asan. Sandhi, yogasanam. Yogasanam. Clear? Asanam is the neutral word. Asanam, neutral word. So when you combine both of them, Sandhi word becomes yogasanam. Actually, singularly, it is yoga. Now, yoga, there are many yogas. So here, normally we say yoga abhyas, yogaabhyas, yogaabhyas, abhyas. So or आगे वाला g gets joined. So as it is, it will become g will become ga. So yoga sanam, yoga bhyas, bhyas, bhyas. Shrunoti, to listen. Shrunoti, to listen. Balakaha sambhashanam shrunoti. Sambhashanam means conversation. So Balak is listening to the conversation. Balakaha sambhashanam shrunoti. Agre. Dadati, to give. Dena. Dadati. Balika Ankanim Dadati. She is giving the pencil. Ankanim, Anunasika. Ankanim. Ankanim Dadati. Okay. Preshayati. To send. Bhejna. To send. It can be message, it can be parcel, whatever it is. To send is preshayati. Present tense. Saha sandesham preshayati. Or you can say Saha WhatsApp sandesham preshayati. He is sending WhatsApp message. Spashtam va? Agre.
Yes, sir.
Prachalayati. Prachalayati means to wash. Dhona. Sa patrani prachalayati. She is washing the vessels. Patrani means vessels. So sa patrani prachalayati. Patrani, sorry. Patrani nahi, patrani. Patrani prachalayati. Prachalayati means to wash. Or you can say sa vastram prachalayati. She is washing one cloth. Vastram, one dress. Here, keep it in mind, only as far as this word is concerned. Keval ye shabda mein. If you remove pra and say shalayati, it is allowed. But only in this word. Shalayati and prachalayati both means to wash, to clean. Not to clean, to wash. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Uttishtati, to get up. Not only from the chair or sofa, but early in the morning also when you wake up, it is called uttishtati. Aham pratidinam pratah shatavadane uttishtami. Saha kada uttishtati. When he gets up, wakes up, rather, not gets up, wakes up. वो कब उठता है? उत्तिष्ठति. उपविशति, to sit down. युवकः उपविशति, sitting down. अग्रे स्थापयति, स्थापयति means either depositing or keeping. To keep something on the table is also स्थापयति, and to deposit is also स्थापयति. So here सः वित्तकोशे धनं स्थापयति. वित्तकोशः bank. So he is depositing money in the bank. स्थापयति. स्पष्टं वा?
स्पष्टं।
स्पष्टं
स्पष्टं।
सुस्पष्टम्
अग्रे स्मरति, to remember. स्मरति, to remember. बालकः किं स्मरति? What is he thinking? Or to remember, to think also is स्मरति. Okay, so स्मरति. बालकः किं स्मरति? अहमपि न जानामि. Even I don't know. What is he thinking? Okay. भवति, भवति, happening. यहाँ पे भवान कः, भवती का. In that भवति was दीर्घ. Remember? दीर्घ भवति.
Yes.
Here it is short. So when it is big, means you are saying you to a feminine gender. Bhavati ka, to a feminine gender. Bhavati. Bhavati. And here it is bhavati. Short. T. Bhavati. Bhavati. Short one. Karyalaye melanam bhavati. So there is meeting going on in the office. Karyalaye melanam bhavati. Actually speaking, bhavati and asti are very fine line. It is asti means hai, is there. Bhavati is happening. Okay? But sometimes we hai ke liye bhi we use bhavati. Sometimes we use asti also. What is correct? Reference to context. It depends upon what is the reference, accordingly what is correct and wrong. So initially when you don't know the clarity, you can, instead of asti, if you say bhavati, or instead of bhavati you say asti, nothing wrong. No mistake. But as you go ahead, you will start understanding the difference between the two, and accordingly you will start talking. Don't force yourself. Spashtam? Asti. Asti. Hai. Is there. Adya. Somavasarah asti. Adya. Actually, आज तो शनिवार है. तो अद्य शनिवासरः अस्ति. है ना?
अद्य स्थिरवासरः अस्ति.
हाँ, सॉरी, शनिवासर.
स्थिरवासरः.
स्थिरवासरः, हाँ बोल सकते हो. लेकिन संस्कृत में इतना सब कंफ्यूज मत करो. वेरी फ्रैंकली काफी लोग अलग अलग शब्दों से आते हैं. कोई संडे के दिन बोलेंगे ये कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं,
भानुवास.
भानुवासर. हाँ, there are many words for everything, but in common language it is better to say रविवासरः, सोमवासरः, मंगलवासरः, बुधवासरः, गुरुवासरः. भानुवासरः कहते हैं.
जी गुरुजी.
शुक्रवासरः, शनिवासरः. Better, common. See, I tell you one thing. If here we have completed all the 25. So, for example, in language, you have to adapt towards normal talking. Say, for example, if I say, where is my mobile? It is English. Where is my mobile? In Gujarati, मारो मोबाइल क्या छे? मोबाइल. मराठीत माझा मोबाईल कुठे आहे, राईट. वैसे you in your mother tongue also sometimes use mobile only na as the word, am I right?
Yes, sir.
But there is a word in Sanskritam, भ्रमण भाषः. So उसमें आप बोलेंगे कि मम भ्रमण भाषः कुत्र अस्ति, yes, शुद्ध लगेगा, but it will not be normal.
Understood
Understood, sir.
by all.
समझ में नहीं आएगा.
It will not be normal. It is something like you are directly translating and rather making joke out of the language. But even if you say, instead of that, if you say, "Are mama mobile kutra asti pashyatu," what's there? You are normally talking, na? Am I right? You know what is the translation
Yes, sir.
of पंखा? पंखा हिंदी में क्या है? What is
पंखा.
the ceiling fan? पंखा.
Yes.
What is the word in Hindi for pankha? By the way, pankha is not a Hindi word, it is a Persian word. तो क्या आप उसको ये कहेंगे छत लटक हवा झटक यंत्र? हाँ, अच्छा लगेगा क्या?
नहीं.
क्या सर, और एक बार बोलिए.
क्रिकेट मैच चल रही है तो क्रिकेट ही बोलेंगे ना. फिर आप ये हिंदी में थोड़ी बोलेंगे गोल गट्टम लकड़ी पटकम तड़ातड़ी प्रतियोगिता. इट इज नॉट नॉर्मल, इजंट इट?
बाप रे.
टेबल टेनिस के लिए हरी मेज पे दे धनाधन ले धनाधन बोलेंगे क्या? नहीं. यू विल से टेबल टेनिस इन एनी लैंग्वेज, इजंट इट?
जी सर.
बाप रे.
सो वी हैव टू बी नॉर्मल. क्या हुआ? गोल गट्टम लकड़ी
नहीं, हंसी
पटकम
आ रही
धनाधन
है.
प्रतियोगिता.
हंसी आ रही.
नहीं, I was challenged by somebody. He was राम
Sir.
नाइक जी. राम नाइक जी, हाँ बोलिए.
सर आजकल चड्डी शब्द भी ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी में आ गया है.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल. अरे जुगाड़ भी आ गया.
हाँ, जुगाड़ भी आ गया है.
जुगाड़
ये
has come
इतनी
as a
समृद्ध
English
भाषा है
word.
कि
हाँ
फॉरेन वर्ड्स को अपना रही है वो.
हाँ, अपनाना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि now slowly they have also started realizing, but we Indians won't realize till the Europeans will come and tell you that this is Sanskritam. Oh my God, we will react, है ना? क्या यूरोपियन इंटेलिजेंट है ना.
सर मैं आजकल सभी को बताती हूँ कि ये शब्द जो है संस्कृत से आया है. जैसे मजिस्ट्रेट.
हाँ, मान्यस्त्रेत.
हाँ, मान्यस्ट्रेट.
इट इज
बहुत सारे शब्दों को
ओरिजिनली
बताती हूँ कि संस्कृत से आए हैं.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
हाँ.
मैंने तो बाकायदा वर्कशॉप लिया था जब जजों का, तभी तो मैंने उनको मान्यस्त्रेत बोला. एंड दे वर सरप्राइज्ड. दैट इज वंडरफुल यार. मान्यस्त्रेत. Manyasret means respectable person who has the authority to give order. Means he justifiable. He is not judge. Magistrate is never a judge. Judge is different. Nyayadhisha. Nyayadhisha. Okay. So that is Nyayadhish. Nyayadhish. यानी द प्रिंसिपल. अधीश मीन्स नॉट ओनर. अधीश मीन्स प्रिंसिपल. तो यहाँ पे कॉमनली यूज वर्ड्स शुड बी यूज्ड, आई से. ओके, एम आई क्लियर? अभी सबको याद रहेगा और राखी को तो खास याद रहेगा. गोल गट्टम लकड़ी पटकम तड़ातड़ी प्रतियोगिता. एक्चुअली एक बार हुआ था.
महोदय, इसके लिए YouTube देखना पड़ेगा फिर से. आप जो बोल रहे हैं ना, लिख के रखने के लिए.
मैं आपको इंसिडेंट बताता हूँ. हुआ था क्या कि हमारे एरिया में एमपी थे, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, राम नाइक जी, who later on was also governor for Uttar Pradesh. He retired from politics as a governor of Uttar Pradesh. We have very close relations because I have been a very, very old childhood Jansang worker. I have seen Jansang converting into BJP. Okay. So, वो दिया, दीपक जो होता है,
तो आई सर.
From दिया to कमल, I have traveled there. तो एक दिन क्या हुआ कि I got a sudden message that Arjun, where are you? I was coming back to Bombay from Pune. So I was in the bus and I was standing at Lonavala. So during that time there were pager system. So I got a message, contact Karyalay. So from the STD booth, I called up the Karyalay and asked them, what is the matter? Where are you? I said, at Lonavala. Hurry, you are going or coming back? I said, I am coming back. Oh, come fast, come fast. Today evening at 8 o'clock, there is a function and you have to conduct the function. You are the host. Compare जिसे कहते हैं. I said, fine. Actually, by the time I reached my house, means Kandivali, my place, it was already nearly 7:30. 8 o'clock was the program and the chief guest was Shri Ram Naik ji. He was the chief guest. So, it so happened that when I was going to the venue, hello, Srinivasan ji, please, your mic. Okay. So, it so happened that we reached the menu at the same time. राम नाइक जी भी थे और मैं भी था. मैंने नमस्कार किया. बोलते अर्जुन, मैंने सुना यू आर गोइंग टू कंडक्ट द प्रोग्राम टुडे. आई सेड यस सर. एक भी शब्द इंग्लिश का बोलना नहीं है. आई सेड ओके. बाय दैट टाइम आई डिड नॉट नो व्हाट इज द फंक्शन. सो व्हेन आई रीच देयर आई आस्क्ड व्हाट वाज द फंक्शन. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन अबाउट. बोले आज सवेरे क्रिकेट मैच होगी. सो द विनर टीम, Ram Naik ji will be giving them trophy to the winner team. अभी क्रिकेट मैच, राम नाइक जी को पता था ना कि ये तो क्रिकेट मैच है. क्रिकेट बोलते ही मैं पकड़ूंगा इसे. So it was a jovial atmosphere. At that time he was a railway minister. तो जब भी मेरा अनाउंसमेंट हुआ तो मैंने कहा कि माननीय हमारे लोहोपत धामिनी मंत्री का मैं यहाँ पे स्वागत करता हूँ. सर ये क्या सा बात है, लोहोपत धामिनी, क्योंकि हिंदी में बोलना था. अगर संस्कृत में बोलना होता तो मैं बोलता रेल पथ. रेल, RAIL is originally a Sanskrit word. It is not an English word. Okay. तो अगर संस्कृत में बोलना होता तो मैं बोलता रेल पथ, लेकिन हिंदी में बोलना था तो मैंने बोला लोहोपत धामिनी रेलवेज. लोहोपत धामिनी मंत्री का मैं स्वागत करता हूं. आज सुबह जो गोलगट्टम लकड़ी पटकम तड़ातड़ी प्रतियोगिता हुई उसका पारितोषिक वितरण समारोह में आप सभी का स्वागत है.
Oh my God.
And I looked at Ram Naik ji and he said, "Bas ho gaya, bas ho gaya." And that's how we do have fun sometimes in between. Okay, a wonderful personality by himself. आगे बढ़ते हैं. See, there are chances. I'm seeing an indicator. There are chances that YouTube is not recorded properly. If I find that, I will remove the YouTube link and at the same time, I am also recording. I will post my recording to you all. Is it okay?
Yes.
So that there are some problems I am seeing. It is happening continuously even in evening batch. So I was prepared for this. So I started recording. So from now onwards, I'm trying my best to give live also. For YouTube viewers, but sometimes it is not possible due to the YouTube. Anyway, it is showing me preparing live streaming. I don't know whether it is going on live on YouTube or not at this moment of time. Okay, going ahead. Now, this Kriya Padani Rupani Vartamana Kale. Now, this is a very important aspect. What is this actually? Kriya Pada, how it is used. What are the various aspects of using Kriya Pada? So here we have taken the example of Gachati. Okay, taking the rules are applied for all the same. So Gachati we are going to take. Gachati means jana, to go. तो गच्छति को लेते हुए हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. That is all various type of रूपम. What is that rupam? I will tell you. Okay. Shall we go ahead? Kriya padani rupani vartaman kale, in present tense. Astu. Palakah gachati. Third person. You are not going. I am not going. A third person is going. Balakah gachati. Balakah gachati. Pratham Purush. In Hindi, it is called Pratham Purush. Somebody else is going. You are not going, I am not going. So the Kriya will be gachati. Tuam. When the person is younger than you or of your age, you will say tuam. You. Tuam gachasi. Gachasi. I. Aham. I. Gachami. When I have to say I am going, so aham gachami. Tuam gachasi. You are going. Balakah gachati. Somebody else is going. So Pratham Purush. This will be what we call it Madhyam Purush. Means who is in front of you, Madhyam Purush, and Uttam Purush. It is about yourself. Am I clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now, how to remember? Easy. Last, T. Observe the last alphabet, T. T. Gachati. In Marathi, it is very simple. Huh? Balika gachati. है ना? ती जाते. You are not going. I am not going. T. So gachati. The person is standing in front of you. You can see him. So gachasi. And aham, I. Gachami. So I am me. Gachami. आ गया? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Easy to
Yes, sir.
remember? Easy to remember?
Yes.
Now, interesting part is if I say gachasi, means it is obvious that you are going. It is not necessary I should write tuam. If I say gachami, it is not necessary I should write aham. Because the verb itself is showing who is going. So subject is there, but it is hidden. But if I say gachati, then the question is kaha gachati, who is going? Then you have to specify the subject, and that is balakaha gachati, priti gachati, uma gachati, kishoraha gachati. There you will have to have subject. Am I clear? Gachati,
Yeah.
gachasi, gachami. Gachami. As soon as you hear that, remember those three golden sentences? Buddham Sharanam Gachami,
Gachami.
Dhammam Sharanam Gachami, Sangam
Yes.
Sharanam Gachami. Beautiful, isn't it? What does that mean? Buddham Sharanam Gachami का मतलब क्या है? Can anybody? Huh?
Salutation to Buddha.
Saluting to Buddha. No.
बुद्ध की शरण में हम जा रहे हैं. मैं जा रहा हूँ.
No. No. I am surrendering to knowledge. Buddha means knowledge. I am surrendering to knowledge. मैं ज्ञान के शरण में जा रहा हूं. और बुद्ध तो वाकई ज्ञान के प्रतीक थे ना. He was a symbol of knowledge, isn't it? That is the reason he gave these golden words. Dhammam sharanam gacchami. Dhammam means dharma. Dharma means, actually in Sanskritam, dharma means truth, sachai, truth. सत्य, सत्य जिसे कहते हैं उसे धर्म कहा जाता है संस्कृत में। सत्य, ये हालांकि संस्कृत का वर्ड है बट हार्डली यूज्ड वर्ड, बट ऑफनली यूज्ड इन हिंदी। सत्य, ट्रूथ, बट धर्म मीन्स सत्य, ट्रूथ। तो ट्रूथ के शरण में जा रहा हूं, आई एम सरेंडरिंग टू द ट्रूथ। संगम शरणम गच्छामि। संग, संग means group. Now here we all participant in this class is one single group, isn't it?
Yes.
So
Yes.
I am surrendering myself to the group. A family. Family is a group, isn't it?
Mm.
So I am surrendering to my family. Society, your state, your city, your state, your community. They are Sangha. Sangha means group. There is a wrong interpretation given by somebody who is into Buddhism. He told me that thing and I said, you are wrong. He says, struggle. Arey, struggle does not come into picture. Maybe he was having limited knowledge. Gautam Buddha never said you have to struggle. Did he? He gave you the way how you can reduce your struggle. देखो कैसे मुंडे मुंडे बिंद बुद्धि, यानी हर दिमाग में अलग अलग बुद्धि है। तो बुद्धम शरणम गच्छामि, धम्मम शरणम गच्छामि, संगम शरणम गच्छामि। लेकिन यहां पे कह गच्छति, कौन जा रहा है? The subject is not mentioned.
Me.
Why?
मैं जाई।
Why?
हम
Why?
Gachami, because of
Gachami.
गच्छामि लिखा है, right?
अहम गच्छामि।
तो लिख सकते थे ना, अहम बुद्धम शरणम गच्छामि, अहम धम्मम शरणम गच्छामि, अहम धम्मम संगम शरणम गच्छामि। लेकिन यहाँ पे फिलोसॉफी है, I is always capital, whether it is in the between of the sentence, at the start of the sentence, or at the end of the sentence, because I has a ego. Aham means ego. Remove the aham, then only you can surrender to knowledge. Remove ego, then only you can surrender to truth. Remove ego, then only you can surrender to Sangha, that is Guru. With your ego, you cannot tackle the smallest group, and that is your family. Keep your ego. You will not be able to control your family. Am I right? Continuously there are conflicts
Yes.
going on.
Ahamkaram.
Exactly.
That is the reason in Sanskrit, for ego there is no other word but aham. और I के लिए भी no other word but aham. क्या beauty है? Elephant can have 100 words. Water can have nearly 27 words. But I, ego, aham is aham, only one word. Interesting लग रहा है? I am sorry, everybody, those who can hear my voice, there is a light, my light has been gone. यहाँ पे लाइट बिजली कट गई है. So I think so we will call off today's lecture over here, as it is only 15 minutes are left. Hello. And we will continue tomorrow.